going to show you how to factory reset a pair of the JLab Go Pop Plus earbuds. You want to perform a factory reset here, you have issues pairing or connecting, or maybe one earbud's not working, or you're getting static, or it keeps disconnecting every so often. Anyway, a factory reset's pretty simple on these, okay? So the first thing is just make sure that the buds are in the case, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to tap one earbud seven times, and then you'll get a blue light that blinks 4 times. And then we're going to tap the other one 7 times, and you'll get a blue light here as well, okay? So we're going to do, you can follow along right now, okay? So first thing is, let's just pull them out and then drop them into the case. And now we're going to do 4 times, okay? Let's do this side first, ready? Or 7 times, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, okay? 4 times blue, and then 7 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blue, 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 okay? Now, I'm going to take these out. Now the factory reset is done. As soon as you take them out, it should be in pairing mode. You'll know it's in pairing mode when one of them is blinking blue, white, and the other one is a solid white. Okay, so we're in pairing mode. Now here's the thing. I was connected to my iPhone and then I did a factory reset. So if I want to connect back to my iPhone here, I go to my iPhone, I go to my Bluetooth here, and you can see I was connected before, but it's not going to reconnect. What I have to do is I have to click on the I here for information, and I have to forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it's unpair. If you're removing it on a TV, it might say delete or remove. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to forget this device. Okay, and it's still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, white. Okay, so now it should show up down here. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off for a second. Let me turn it back on. And this way I can reconnect to the previous device that I was connected to before. So let's wait 1 second here. It's still in pairing mode. Okay, there we go. It popped up. Tap on that right there. And now I'm connected back to my iPhone. So pretty simple.